Alright, so there's that post. And this would be like one extreme of travel. The post is going to engage the limit switch right there. And so we can go around 360 degrees. And that post will engage this Geneva mechanism and toggle it. See? So, toggled. We're in that bistable state. We can go another 360 degrees. Coming past this post again. And then toggle the other side of the limit switch. Alright. Coming back. Go through the other. Hit that same post again. And can go one more rev. Right there. And that's what the mechanism looks like. So there's like two detents for these bistable positions, and then the cam that actually actuates the limit switch. Alright, I'll put it back. Alright, so this outer plate rotates relative to the base. This is stationary. There's this post feature that engages this like half of a Geneva mechanism. It's got like, it rotates in 2 quarters. So this would be like your center position. The first time you rotate past, this post is going to engage that feature and toggle this mechanism 45 degrees. Right? So that'd be like one pass by, and then on the next pass by, the same post will hit this face, and, or maybe it's actually even there, and trip the limit switch. Toggling past here, right, causes the limit switch to get hit. See? And then if it were to rotate back, so like this is like a hard stop position, rotating in this direction. If it rotates back, it'll get toggled to the other direction. And if you do another full rev, you toggle to here where you're still hitting the same limit switch. Right, so this is the center position, and then toggled back. This would be 1 rev, and then back. Alright, so those are so these 2 positions are like your bistables, and then hitting the mechanism in the same direction that it's biased towards would toggle the switch. So like that. I'll put it back together and get a video of it like assembled. There's your over toggle. That's one position. That's the other position. And then toggled in the other direction.